And a very pleasant Monday to everybody, the 23rd of November 2020. My name is Jewel, and this is J7409 Weather. Thanks so much for clicking play and checking out the weather with me today. And if you're into the weather of all kinds, please subscribe, click that bell, and remember, you got to check off all if you want to get all of my latest videos. We're looking at the severe weather map here. And in yesterday's weather forecast, I told you no severe weather yesterday, no severe weather really today. But Tuesday, tomorrow, I told you Tuesday could be a severe weather day for many. Now, this is Tuesday morning around 3 a.m. This is going to go through the night. I'm going to turn it on and let you see what happens. Isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, they may occur tomorrow, Tuesday into Tuesday night, across portions of the southern Central Plains, Ozarks, Mid-South, and lower Mississippi Valley. These storms will be possible for very damaging winds, tornadoes, and marginally severe hail. So let's just stop it and back it up a little bit here. This goes into Wednesday. It will go on. But tomorrow, this is around in the morning, not too bad. Early afternoon, this is 2 p.m., not too bad. But you see, as time marches on, around 5 o'clock Eastern time tomorrow, these storms are popping up now in the Texas, Oklahoma, and into the Kansas area, the panhandles of Texas and Oklahoma. If we move it up a little bit more here, you can see they're going to get more severe as nighttime approaches. This is 9 a.m. Eastern time on my map here. You know where you live. You figure out your time lapse. But these storms are going to get more severe during the night. And by midnight, we'll go up to midnight around Tuesday. You can see how these storms are progressing right on across into early Wednesday morning around midnight into the Arkansas area. Wednesday morning around 6 a.m. they start to die down some. The most severe, this should not be that severe, maybe a little severe right in this area in Arkansas. But Tuesday is going to be the day of severe weather, looking like in the early evening and nighttime hours. This is around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody in Oklahoma, in these areas, and also in Kansas, you need to be aware. So please keep this in mind. If you got anything outdoors that might blow away, take it in late this evening or early tomorrow morning before these storms approach you. We still have this little disturbance number 1 carrying on as far as tropical weather goes. This from the National Hurricane Center. It's still a broad area of low pressure. It's a couple hundred miles northeast and southeast of the Bahamas. It's got disorganized cloudiness and showers well to the northeast and east of its center. Now, strong upper-level winds are expected to limit development of the system today before the low merges with a cold front Tuesday, tomorrow. Now, on my different maps, I've actually seen this where it will merge with the cold front. But later in the week, this system may have another opportunity to develop subtropical characteristics if it becomes separated from the front and meanders over the central Atlantic. 2 days, 10% chance. 5 days, 20% chance. I don't think it will, but there is that possibility it could detach itself as it merges to this cold front coming through. I've seen something, can't quite figure it out because it's too far out now to say anything, but it does develop over here, and then there'll be a high pressure in days ahead. It's going to push it down this way, so we'll just keep our eyes on it. It's no threat to anybody, though, as of now, and doesn't look like it's going to be in the near future, but I will keep my eyes on it just in case things change. Now, what's going on around the lower 48? Well, this is the NDFD map. Let's just let it loop through right quickly. You'll see this is today through Wednesday 12-0. And we got snow that's going to develop over parts of the northwest and central Rockies, heavy rain over middle Mississippi Valley areas, and snow to develop over parts of the upper Midwest by tomorrow. Now, low pressure over the southeastern Canada area and the northeast, it's going to move into the Canadian Maritimes, and its associated front moves off the east coast by this evening. Now, the system will produce snow showers over the Great Lakes and rain over parts of the northeast and mid-Atlantic today. Snow showers will develop over the northeast, ending by Tuesday morning, and the snow will produce hazardous driving conditions. Meanwhile, we got a complicated front that's going to move eastward from the northern Rockies to the middle Mississippi Valley by Wednesday. The storm will produce snow and rain over parts of the central Rockies and southern high plains today. Snow and rain will develop over parts of the upper Midwest overnight tonight, and by tomorrow, Tuesday, rain will develop over parts of the central southern plains areas as showers and thunderstorms develop over parts of the middle and lower Mississippi Valley. That is where the severe thunderstorms may happen, with possible tornadoes, high winds, and hail. Now, rain and snow is going to continue over the upper parts of the Midwest through Tuesday evening. The precipitation then should change over to all rain Tuesday night. Now, again, the snow will produce hazardous driving conditions. In the meantime, a dying front over the Pacific Northwest will aid in producing rain and higher elevation snow over the area. Snow will also develop over parts of the northern Intermountain region. Tuesday, the snow will slow down a bit and die out, but another front will come on shore over the northwest as the rain and higher elevation snow picks up once again. By Wednesday morning, snow should return to the northern Intermountain region, and drivers will need to use caution as this snow makes driving conditions very hazardous. And that's a check of your weather today. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thanks for everything you do for me, folks, and much peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks for watching.